Here, the manual operation interface, there have front cutter up and front cutter down. That means the front cutter. If you want to cut using this function, and you click the manual operation interface and click here is okay. It's manual. You click is okay. You click and then tap is cut. OK，
好嘞，前进。
Now dear, now I'll show you the machine operation video. Now choosing English language and click the order set. Now we set 400 millimeter and quantity set 5 is okay. And return the production manual clear here, and here press the oil pump, click start. The machine can run automatically. Okay, we set it 5 pieces and finished. The overlapping effects. Screw here is okay.